My name is Rachel. Ricky Fasca. Hey, yeah, I think I'm feeling it. I said Alana is so cool and Alana is so fresh. Every time I see her, I'm like, damn, you fresh to death. Hey, hey. I see her in the school and I'm just like, girl, you look good. Like why didn't I get your number? My name is Rachel. I told you that once before, but I mean, if you forget, I'm going to tell you once more. My name is Rachel. Yeah.
Rachel is my aunt, and she's really pretty. She's wearing yellow right now, and she's kind of looking silly. Her beats is on fire. When I touch her, I sizzle. I don't know what to say, because I'm getting kind of dizzled.
Fresh, A, brown, take a brown.
Ready? All right. My name is Alana, and this here is Rachel. She told you before, but you can't remember.
I'm drooling a lot because I'm doing my beatboxing, but everybody know I look like a boxing.
Oh, you ain't ready? You ain't ready?
Don't play yo sizzle. Sizzle, I'm looking pretty sizzling, everybody knows, but every time I come over, you're like, dang girl, why you smell like toast? Oh,
Yeah.
yo, drinking my fizzy, it's called vintage, and everybody knows I like Pinterest. Hey, don't play, yo, freaking don't bounce down. Alana's turn now. She likes to rap, but when she's on the spot, sometimes she sounds like crap. Hey! Just kidding. That was a diss for myself because I'm white and I don't know how to rap like an elf. Pull down. Get down to brown.
Someone's at the door. I'm gonna open it, but they could wait because we on this. Let me get the door.
She's getting the door all ready and stuff because we got a little guest. Come give us some raps. Hey! Come bring it, Dana. I got you. She thinks she's ghetto and she wears Jordans, but everybody knows she can't say a rap for her life. Everybody knows that I'm freaking fly, and everybody knows that I'm gonna say bye.